This is a 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. It has a 5.3-liter 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include adjustable driver pedals, a power driver's seat, cruise control, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, running boards, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, a traction control system, a split folding rear seat, and this vehicle has fewer than 49,000 miles on the odometer. This Chevrolet has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.